Hey guys, Dan's Restorations here. Just sounds a little weird, something to get used to, but yes, I did change my YouTube channel name. It's no longer Dan the Man 92. Now, for those of you that have been subscribers for a while, the channel name originally was The Mechanic Man 92. And then it switched to Dan the Man 92, and now it's Dan's Restorations. I'm still going to be doing all my normal stuff, some how-to videos, some tool unboxing videos, tool review videos, but I'm also going to start incorporating restorations. Now, I did make another YouTube channel. It was called Dan's Restorations. Might have had one subscriber, me, but so I'm stopping that channel and then just bringing everything to here because I do want to do some restorations. I actually have done some restorations. One of them being this pipe wrench. Now, I did not make a video on that, but I really enjoy doing that kind of stuff. I am working on a project right now. You can see here. There's another piece, and down there is another piece. But I do plan on doing more restorations, recording them, so be on the lookout for that very soon. I have a few ideas, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.